Hey YouTube, it's Smith MRN 545. Coming to you here for a bike check. Um, yeah, so let's get started on here. Up top here, we got the ODI long neck grips. Really nice grips. I really recommend them. They do not wear down at all. They are a little bit hard at first, sorta, but they wear in really fast. With people see murder bars. Really good bars, 8.1 rise, 27.5 width, and yeah, I really like him. Stolen convict, top load stem, really nice and light. I really like it. So, and then right here we got the mekanik STI headset, and down here we got the nitrous afterburner fork, really tapered for what they are. We got the shadow little ones peg right there. Then we got the Odyssey Aitken tire, the knobby one, 2.125, with an XLC double wall rim and XLC hub and spokes. Sealed hub, by the way, really nice. Right here we got the 2010 GT Performer frame, chromoly down tube. Everything else had 10 steel, 2.5-inch top tube, really nice. Eclat complex padded one-piece seat, really light. I wasn't expecting it to be that light. Right here we got the stolen thermalite pedals. So over the sun you can't really see the color, but it's purple. GT 3-piece chromoly cranks, which actually really good. They don't flex, they don't make noise, which is really good. GT Seal 25 tooth chainwheel stock. KMC purple chain, normal average shabop. Right here we got another shadow little ones peg. I don't know if you can see. Oh, there we go. A little shadow little ones peg. Primo drive side hub guard Arumi. Aaron Ross tire 2.35. Amazing, really amazing tire. I really like it. Alienation PBR rim right here, really nice for single wall. It's really light, really good. And the GT, I think it's the Mohawk, I'm not sure, cassette hub. And yeah, so my bike weighs around at about 25.5, 26 pounds. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, share, whatever. See you later. It's MRN545 and I'm out.